There are some people who will dislike you for absolutely no apparent reason. It's not because you did anything wrong to them. It's because you see more than they ever wanted you to look at. Your unique trait is that you notice the exact things most people easily overlook. You can instinctively feel the hidden agenda behind polite conversation. You immediately know the difference between genuine connection and a calculated performance. You see the massive gap between someone's actual intentions and the flawless show they put on for the world. Let's face it, some people are addicted to wearing masks. They perform a kindness they don't actually feel, broadcast a confidence they don't possess, or stage a relationship that only exists for public consumption. On the outside, everything looks picture perfect, but beneath the surface, they are running on jealousy, resentment, or a desperate need to be someone else. Most people don't see it, but you do. You read between the lines, you pay attention to the and you intuitively notice when someone's words don't match their actions. And that is exactly what makes people who are used to hiding their true selves feel incredibly uncomfortable around you. It's not even that you're actively trying to expose them. It's just that when someone stands next to a person who can see right through the act, it becomes exhausting for them to keep playing a role. So, do not be surprised when people suddenly avoid you, talk down about you, or try to minimize your worth for no logical reason. The problem isn't you. The problem is that your mere presence forces them to look at their own reflection a little too honestly. But here is the beautiful part of possessing this trait. Over time, this gift acts as a natural filter for your life. The people who survive your vetting process are the ones who don't need a mask in the first place, the ones who aren't terrified of being vulnerable, the ones who value raw authenticity over social clout. Being able to see people exactly as they are is not a curse. It is your ultimate toolkit for protecting your inner peace. It allows you to navigate the world with clarity and prevents you from wasting your precious time and energy on people who only love you when it's convenient for them. And when you think about it, that is exactly where your real strength lies.